One obstacle that many drivers face are flat tires. This instructional will help guide you on what to do in a situation like this. The first step you want to do is to make sure you are on the side of the road and turn on the hazard lights. This will indicate to other drivers to avoid you. Now, make sure your car is in park and the handbrake emergency brake is engaged. Next, head to the trunk of the car where the rest of the parts for the instructional are needed. Unscrew the spare if needed. Put all the spare and necessary tools next to the flat tire. Next, use the wrench to unscrew the bolts, going in a counterclockwise direction. If your vehicle has wheel locks, make sure to use a special adapter to make sure to loosen it. Next, use a jack to lift the car. Make sure if it's under the car. Use the notch in the jack to find the notch under the vehicle. They should align. Once the notches are aligned, you may start lifting the car. Use the extension piece in the toolkit in order to give you leverage and pick up the car faster. Make sure you have enough clearance under the wheel to take off the wheel. Next, use the wrench to unscrew the bolts the rest of the way. Next, take out the flat and bring in the spare. Place the spare onto the vehicle. Hand screw the bolts on and work in a star-shaped pattern to tighten them. Use a wrench to tighten the wheel slightly, but do not over-tighten. Next, lower the car and remove the jack. Now you may use the wrench to work in a star-shaped pattern in order to tighten the lug nuts the rest of the way. After that, you may clean up and place everything back in the trunk. Make sure you do not exceed highway speeds and that you have your flat tire repaired as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.